Hey y'all, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can import videos in Filmora. This is gonna be straight to the point, cut to the cheese kind of the video. So let's drop the video tutorial now and not waste any second. So what you have to do is just pull your footage, open your footage, and now just grab your footage and drag it onto the media panel, and here you have the footage. You can create the proxy file so your video won't lag and you'll have results, a faster, smoother experience when editing. Editing is sporting and is just gonna help you to perform better when you edit videos. Filmora will perform better, create proxy. So yes. Or you can also grab all the video and just drag them onto the timeline. That's just a different way. Just import, match to your media, keep project settings, match to media. Now here we have our video. As you can see right now, it just looks amazing. And you have all the files right over here located. As you can see, there's no problem and we are happy people right now. So just make sure you do this, okay? This is what you have to do. Thank you, beautiful person, for watching this tutorial, and we have to thank you. So make sure you subscribe for more tutorials, Filmora tutorials, and I'll see you now in the next video. Take care.